Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So it's been a while since nakapaggawa tayo ng video mga Lodi Cakes. So for today, meron tayong math problem coming from the recent UP Math Wizard 2025 na ginanap kanina sa UP Diliman sa Electrical and Electronics Institute sa Engineering Building mga Lodi Cakes. And this came from Geometry. Pero before that, shoutout muna kala Sir Rene Boy Mamansag. Siya yung nagbigay ng t-shirt natin coming from the event earlier. Shoutout din kay KP Car na nagbigay ng isang color pa ng shirt, kay Patrick Ambrosio, kay Cristel Barlaan, shoutout din kay Lodi Cake Sir Alvin Batin from Siba, and kay Ate Pau na solid na receptionist namin, and shoutout din kay Charles Dwight Pelaez for winning the 51st, for being the 51st Math Wizard, and props pa rin kay three-peat champs Emmanuel Palete and kay Jimbo Bernardo for being in the top 3. Mga solid kayo guys. And shoutout din kay Kobe Bryant Mercado, tsaka kay John Joshua Cruz, tsaka kay Justin Tengsun. Mga Lodi Cakes natin yan. So, ang problem natin is, on triangle ABC, AC is equal to 4 square root of 2 units. BA is equal to 1 unit, and angle CAB equals 45 degrees. What is the circumradius of triangle ABC? This was asked during the final round, and it's only solvable for 60 seconds. So, kung alam natin yung concept ng circumradius, that is the radius of the circle outside or circumscribing a triangle. So, may formula naman yan, honestly. So, the radius of the circumscribing circle is equal to ABC all over 4A, in which ABC are the side lengths of the triangle, and A is the area of the triangle. Lagyan natin ng side. So, this is for circumscribe. For inscribe naman, guys, the radius is equal to area over the semi-perimeter. Okay? So, this is for circumradius, and this is for the in radius. Okay? So, that's different, guys, ha? So, ito yung gagamitin natin dito. However, ano ba yung binigay? So, the first thing na pwede natin gawin is we will draw the triangle. So, we have A, B, and C. So, ABC, ano daw yung AC for? Square root of 2 units. How about AB? That's 1 unit. So, ano yung pinaka-first na makukuha natin dyan, Sir IJ, since we are looking for the circumradius? So, binigay yung angle CAB 45 degrees. So, ang pinakamadali natin makuha dyan is yung area ng triangle. Sir IJ, how? How do we find the area of the triangle given two sides and an included angle? So, the area is just simply equal to 1/2 AB sine of the angle, which is for this case, that is angle A, and the given sides are side C and side B. So, pwede natin gawin tong B and C kasi sila yung mga katapat ng angles B and angles B and C. So, we have 1/2 multiplied by 4 root 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by sine of 45. So, mentally, dapat alam natin that sine 45 degrees is equal to square root of 2 over 2. So, we have 1/2 multiplied by 4 root 2 multiplied by root 2 all over 2, in which root 2 times root 2, that's positive 2 times 4, okay, that is equal to, or you can cancel, actually, ito yung 4. Pwede na natin i-cancel lang, guys. Tama po ba, mga Lodi Cakes? So, Sir IJ, yes, that's correct. And, ano yung magiging area natin now? So, the area will now be equal to 2 square units. Okay? Kasi that's just square root of 2 times square root of 2. So, what's next po, Lodi Cakes? Nakuha na natin yung area. How do we get the third side? Kasi hinahanap natin yung product ng A, B, and C. So, given tayo ng two sides and an included angle, so we will be using the cosine law. So, applying cosine law, mga Lodi Cakes, so, or the law of cosines, so we have side A here, so A equals the square root of this side, so A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cosine C. So, dapat alam nyo na yung transition ng cosine law. 1 squared plus 4 squared of 2 squared minus 2AB cosine of the included angle, which is 45 degrees. Okay? So, that mabilis na kayo mag-compute nito. 1 plus 4 square root of 2 squared, said that 16 times 2, that's 32, minus, kung alam nyo ang cosine ng 45 is square root of 2 over 2, so this is square root of 2 over 2, so maka-cancel yung, itong 2 tsaka 2 maka-cancel, so 4 square root of 2 times square root of 2, so that's 4 times 2, that is equal to 8. So, ilan to, mga Lodi Cakes? So, that is 1 plus 32, that's 33, minus 8, square root of 25, that is equal to 5, which is our side A here. And then, gamitin nyo na po yung formula. Kaya mabilis lang siyang gawin. So, kung kabisado nyo yung cosine law, sine law, or the area using the sine formula, Wala, basic lang to sa inyo, mga idolo. So we have A, B, C. So we have 1 multiplied by 4, square root of 2, multiplied by 5. Okay, guys? All over 4 multiplied by the area, which is equal to 2. And this cancels out the 4. So the correct answer here will be 5 square root of 2 all over 2 units, which is the circumradius of triangle A, B, C. So, ganun lang po siya. Kailangan lang po talaga nating balikan yung basics natin. Kung gusto po natin maging mamo kagaya nila Charles, nila Iman, nila Joshua, nila Jimbo, nila Justin, nila Kobe. So, kailangan talaga mag-advance tayo and more practice, more grind. Train hard, win easy. Train easy, win hard. So, yun guys. Sana may natutunan kayo for today's video and I hope nabalikan nyo yung basic concepts ng geometry and trigonometry natin. Yung mga sine law, cosine law, etc. And maraming salamat sa mga patuloy na sumusuporta. Even though wala man tayong mga videos sa mga nakaraang araw, nakaraang linggo, still, thank you so much for all the support. I hope you all the best mga Lodi Cakes. And bye-bye!